Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to connect your Modern Combat 5 game to your Facebook account. First of all, in order to do that, launch the game open on your device and then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once the game loads from the main menu, tap the drop down at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on the gear button. Now, from the settings menu that pops up, click on Connect. Inside the Connect page, find the Facebook Connect button and tap on it. You will then need to log into your Facebook account by entering your Facebook's credentials, so make sure you have it. In the pop-up, click on Continue and enter your Facebook's credentials. And once you do that, click the Continue button to allow Modern Combat 5 to access your Facebook's name, profile picture, and email address. Approve any access request so the game can sync your account. And after you do that, you will be able to connect Facebook to your Modern Combat 5 account. Once connected, your game progress is now backed up to Facebook and you can easily recover your account on other devices or even if you uninstall the game. So that's how you can easily link Modern Combat 5 to your Facebook account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.